So we start off today's video with this gorgeous jaw length bob haircuts. And we're seeing a lot of mini bobs and shorter bob style these days. This is so gorgeous, so effortless and chic. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some more Bob and Pixie haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, this video is definitely for you. Here we have a beautiful asymmetrical style Pixie. This one is all black, features these beautiful long bangs in the front. And then we have a hair transformation. Now she has this natural, beautiful curly hair. The stylist colors the hair and cuts it into a bob. I really like this color that he ends up doing because it does look like a radiant, dimensional copper ginger mix, which is right on trend with what we're seeing this season. And then this look also has some curtain bangs and comes to just around the shoulders. Next up, we have this beautiful Pixie bob variation. Gorgeous. Followed by a long to short transformation. So the stylist ended up doing a beautiful lob haircut. This one also comes to just around the shoulder blade. And then we see this platinum Pixie style. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love this color and cut combination. Her makeup, everything just looks like perfection. And then we have another classic chic bob style. Beautiful angled bangs in the front to create some flair and movement. Followed by another hair transformation. So she starts off with like hair just past her shoulders. Wow. Here we have a gorgeous Pixie. This one features lavender and blue tones. What an incredible color combination. Such a fun style. Then we have another short and sweet Pixie transformation. This one features very tiny baby bangs, a huge trend that we're seeing right now. And this is a very nice example of a volumized Pixie cut. I love the tapered nape. This would be a great option if you have hair that's on the thinner side and you're looking for some way to add some volume. Lots of choppy layers. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hair ideas within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.